Welcome back to Stocklabs. Today is the fly's birthday, so to celebrate, I'll show you how he uses the tools in Stocklabs to build and rebalance his quant portfolio every month for market-beating results. This will be useful for longer-term traders or strategies that don't involve day trading or heavy management of positions day to day. So looking inside the quant, these are the holdings right now, but how does he get them in the first place? If we go to the screener tool, up in the ready-made quick screens, there's the growth quant. So this screen has the fundamental criteria that the fly requires for a stock to qualify for his quant portfolio in the first place. There's a volume requirement. The market cap requirement is over $1 billion. We have revenue and gross margin criteria as far as dollar amounts and growth rates for revenues. And the whole list is sorted by SAA score on a 1-month time frame. So these stocks have the fly's fundamental criteria and are backed by Stocklabs algos showing that they have the best price action to go along with that fundamental criteria. So all he does at the first of every month, or the first trading day of the month, when he rebalances the portfolio, he comes and looks at this list. He sorts it by 1-month SAA score, and then the top 20 stocks on those lists are all added to the quant portfolio as 5% positions. If we look at the performance of the portfolio, plus 2.5% for the week, almost the same for the month, and year to date over 23%, which is outpacing the market by a lot on all these time frames. Month to date for May right now, I think the SPY is about up 0.5% maybe, and year to date this is almost double the current market performance. The breakdown tab shows us the longer term performance trend. If we look at a year, flat for a couple months, but had a big ramp at the end of 2020. And then month to month, last November was the biggest month, up 27%. The rest of the gains have been steady, aside from the little bit of a slow start, but seems to be running smoothly now. And our trades tab shows everything that's come in and out of the portfolio. So this will only show closed out trades on the first trading day of the month when he does the rebalancing. The rest of the time, the portfolio is left to run and do its thing. However the chips fall, that's what it is at the end of the month. And then the whole process repeats itself. So what's good about running a quantitative strategy as opposed to just making discretionary trades for everything? This system is rules-based, it's fundamentally driven, and it's supported by the Stocklabs algos that make the final decision on which stocks actually get included. And the whole thing is automated. So there's no guessing and there's no wondering which direction to go month to month. The fly just follows his algos, trusts them to perform well, and the results speak for themselves. If you want to copy the fly strategy, or at least just keep up with what moves he's making, just go into the community portfolios, find the Stocklabs Quant, and use the follow button in the top right, and it'll be under your following portfolios as well. To build your own quant portfolio, use the screener tool to choose your own criteria and your own parameters for which stocks you want to include in your strategy. Then dump them into a portfolio that you create and see if you can beat the fly, or at least beat the market. Thanks for coming out. Again, we're celebrating the fly's birthday today, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.